Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be actually doing something a little bit different, which is an initial hair review as well as I guess a final hair review, or maybe not a final hair review, but like after the hair is installed and I made a unit with it. Yeah, so that's my hopes for this video. So yeah, I received the package of hair yesterday, and so I wanted to definitely show you guys what the hair looks like before I start to make it into a unit and, you know, make a nice little wig with it. Yeah, so this is actually a new company to my channel. It's my very first AliExpress vendor, and so I'm glad that it's a successful, so far it's a successful partnership or collaboration. And so the company is called, y'all, I'm gonna struggle with this, so I'm just gonna put it right here, but it's I think Yuyongtai hair. So yeah, so I pretty much received a package like this. My address is on here, so I'm not really showing the packaging, but just like a little white FedEx package like this. But then when you open it, it comes like this with all your goodies. So I like the fact that their packaging, it has the name of their company, and then it says it's unprocessed 100% human hair, and then it has like a search engine. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a search engine with Yuyongtai hair, and then it says it has their AliExpress I guess code or whatever, and then their Facebook code, and then it has all of their information down below. So yeah, I love their cute packaging. It's super dope. So now me opening it, I've already kind of seen it came with some individual eyelashes. I'm appreciative of that. I'm not going to use these because I'm just not a pro. I'll stick to my strip lashes, I'll say that. It also came with 3 flexi rods, so I'll add these to the collection. It came with some type of sponge, oh, they're makeup puffs, and it says they were made in China. And now for what you guys have been waiting for, it's the hair. So this is the hair. Y'all, I'm super excited. Like, look at this. So I chose an 18-inch closure. You guys can see that, an 18-inch closure, and then 2 24-inch bundles, and then a 22-inch bundle, and then a 20-inch bundle. So those are the lengths that I have: 224, 122, 120, and then an 18-inch. So I'm going to open up the bundles and show you guys what they look like straight out the packaging. So again, for their packaging, I love their packaging. I love that it comes in this Ziploc baggy thing, and they all have their cards attached to it. So I'm already digging that. Okay. So the hair straight out the packaging is so soft. I'm loving the feel of it. This is the size of the 24-inch. So that's the size of the 24-inch. And this is their water wave pattern in 24 inches. So it comes in a very natural color. I'm not sure if I'm going to dye the hair just yet, but as of right now, I just like it as it is. It doesn't have a bad smell to it. It smells like typical hair, in my opinion, so it doesn't have any type of bad smell to it. So yeah, so I showed you the 24-inch. Now I'm just going to show you all of the bundles together, because I don't see the point in showing you each one individually unless something has changed or it's different. This is both of the 24 inches. The size of the bundles are both the same. So it's both the same. And they're both the same length. Okay, so I took out all 4 of the bundles, and so this is what it's looking like right now. Woo! This is gonna be some pretty hair, y'all. I can tell already that this hair is gonna be super nice. It's gonna make a nice unit, and you know we're approaching summertime, so y'all know I always try to get summer ready with some type of long, luxurious curls, and so I definitely love the curls that is given off right here. The 20-inch, as to be expected, the bundles look a little thicker compared to this one, but with shorter bundles, it tends to be a little bit thicker. But with one of the 24 inches, I'll actually run my hands through it and see what it looks like when you run your hands through it. See how it spreads and what kind of volume you get. So yeah, I'm already feeling how it looks by me just running my hands through it. I'm not getting any shedding as of right now. So yeah, so that's what it's looking like, just me running my hands through it. I'll show it to you with the other 24 inch. So this is the difference in the 24 inches. I don't even know, I'm like super excited. So let me show you the closure right quick. Oh wow, wait, oh, it's not a closure, it's a frontal. My bad, my bad. Look at, I just unfolded this thing, look at that. It is actually a frontal, so I might have got my information mixed up a little bit. But upon looking at it, it does look nice. I see that it must be pre-plucked. But of course I'll go in and do my own, you know, customizations. So off the back, I noticed that the hairline is kind of like a heel, like it goes like up, down, up, down, up, down. So I'm not sure how that's going to work out with my hairline, but we will see. As a whole, like, I like it. Just straight out the packaging, I like the frontal. Yeah, y'all, so I'm super excited to see what this unit is gonna look like. The next time that you guys see me, I should have the unit on and be able to tell you any type of issues or whatever that I ran into. I will bleach the knots and do whatever customizations and make the unit, and you guys should see that shortly.
appreciate that.
Have already seen this hair straight out the packaging, as well as me customizing the unit that I made. I didn't include me making the unit because I watched another YouTube video, and so I'll link that down below if you guys want to know how I made the frontal with the 4 bundles that is in this unit. Now, my own personal feelings, when I got it out the packaging, the curls were amazing. Now, I know sometimes when you have curly hair, the pattern is not necessarily the same after you wash it or wet it, but Y'all, all I did was put water only on the frontal because I did pluck the frontal and because I did bleach the knots. So once I got the hair out of it, I had to put water on it and it bounced back to its original curl pattern. So I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but y'all see that? So the curls that's in the back, I didn't even touch them. Like, I didn't put any water on them or anything, but I know that it'll do the same exact thing, which is bounce back to their normal curl pattern. So right there, I was already sold with that. The knots bleached perfectly. I had no issues with bleaching the knots. I didn't experience any shedding, only when I pluck the knots, which is to be expected. Anytime you pluck knots, like once you run your hands through it, you're going to take out that excess hair that you plucked. So other than that, I haven't received any type of like shedding or anything like that. So being that this is my initial review, this is only my second time making a frontal wig, so I'm proud of myself just for the work that I did. Like, I think that it looks pretty natural. You guys let me know. Baby hairs are always still kind of tricky. Sometimes I got it, sometimes I don't, but I mean, I think I got it. You guys let me know. What else? The hair itself is just, it's amazing. There's nothing else that I can say about it. I did want to give you guys an initial review, and then I'll be wearing it because I did glue this one down. So I will be wearing this for a little while, at least until the glue come off, y'all. And then I will let you guys know somewhere in the near future how the hair is holding up, if it's still, you know, all that I think that it is. And first of all, this hair is perfect vacation hair. Like, if you guys are going on summer vacation to wherever you guys are going, this hair is some good summer vacation hair. Like I said, the water just makes it bounce back. I have no products in this. This is how the hair is. So yeah, I'm loving it. Hopefully you guys love it and this video isn't too long. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Let me know if you guys are feeling this hair. As usual, I'll link all the information in the description box. The link to the hair, the link to their website if you guys have your eye on different kind of curl pattern. And another thing is, I think that this hair is super inexpensive, especially for 4 bundles and a frontal. So I'll make sure to link all the information down in the description box, and if you guys have any questions, make sure to let me know, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.